just to go over this, you have the three characters, so you're trying to think of the composition on your page. And again, once you locate that, I'm just going to have some idea of what I want to do, but I'm just going to give the beginning part of this character's head. Again, this perspective is changing, so the center line is up at the top, but you can still see the center line and the hidden line kind of through this egg shape, but again, it's from the opposite end. So when you pinpoint, or at least draw in the initial selection here, that's going to be the circular part on the end, and here's the cheeks with the nose inside of it, just like before, and they wrap around the profile or the side of the face, and this triangular shape that's going to be played down here before. So that's going to, once that's there, it's just going to curve a little bit and show that edge, and then the lower lip kind of helps with a little bit of dimension to it, so that helps. And remember, they have the stripe. You can't see the front of the face. You're kind of looking up at a acute perspective here, so that circle shape, you're only seeing part of it, which houses the eye and the section for the pupils, so right up in there. So it's a little trickier to draw, but that'll give you the at least the angles that you're trying to look at from up underneath the character. And again, this circular part for the nose, a little bit smaller, has a triangle shape, so it's a little bit round and tapers down into this section. So I'll just do a little beginning part, and then I'll come off your screen here. And the second one kind of has him taped in here, so just going to keep that elliptical shape here, the basis of it. Find that center line right here. Find the part that's wrapping around it. And the hidden line is just there to help you keep that elliptical shape right on track. And again, that's where this initial part's going to be the circular part. You see more of it on the one side, less as it turns the corner. And there's the nose. Around here it has a couple circular pieces just to help with the character's anatomy, and then the top part. So this part has this section that goes back, and you can see the circular part for the eye. This is just a simple circle for the cheek, and then it wraps down. Here's the center line. Keep the mouth almost triangular shape, and then round it off. So always go back to the geometry of the form. So that builds the face up, and then the eye is kind of placed right in there. So just lightly locate it. There's the pupil. So everything falls right into place. It makes it very, very easy to do. Okay, so right now I have these two characters interacting. I might change the location of the eye, but just placing it in there. And this one is a little bit more of a front view, so it's more circular, and it's a little slight 3/4 view. So when you take a look at how they have the center line built up, there's the piece for it. There's the circular section for the nose, a little bit smaller for the inside of it. A couple corners there. And the cheeks, a couple circles to start them off, but they taper back to the rest of the face. And then there's a triangular shape started for the mouth, but then just rounded off. And again, you have the lower lip to help you. So there's that dotted line. Again, the circle part for the overall section of the eye. Kind of builds that up. And section here, same piece for this one. Comes up like that. So just an initial setup on how you're going to compose this illustration with these characters, and that'll get you started. So see where you're at, compose them, and then come back, and then you can refine them a little bit better.